Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm here at Ongtong restaurant that serves Michelin guide Khaosoi, which is a northern style dish of noodles and curry. So I'm super excited and I'm really hungry. My stomach is rumbling. So if you guys wanna eat with me, don't forget to click like, share and subscribe. Let's go! So we're now inside the Ongtong restaurant. We're upstairs and we have already ordered what we want. So I'm going for the bestseller chicken Khaosoi. I think this is the one that won the Michelin guide. And Gates is ordering stir-fried pork Khaosoi, right? So yeah, this is like recommended and this is the bestseller. And also we're gonna get some sides. We're gonna get the Thai
sausage.
Yeah, the Thai northern sausage with green chili and boiled cabbage. And also we're gonna have some grilled fried crab fat cooked with egg yolk and sticky rice.
Yes.
Wow, okay,
Looks
so
nice.
It's a really like exciting menu we have, and for drinks we're gonna have Thai iced tea because I think it goes best with this northern style cuisine, and I am really excited. My stomach is rumbling. So I'll wait. Okay guys, the moment of wait is over. We've got our food finally, and here is the chicken Khaosoi, which is like the bestseller dish over here. And I'm gonna try that first because I'm really excited. I think, yeah. So, so we have our sides, which is onions, and what is this?
Kalam dong.
Kalam dong. I think it looks like pickled vegetables. Not sure. I'm gonna add that. Okay, I'm gonna try to put on some lemon. Squeeze some lemon on this. Oh my god.
Oh, smell good.
It smells really nice. Okay. And we have some roasted chili flakes. It said, Gates said that this is really spicy, so I'm just gonna put a little bit. But I really like spicy, so it doesn't really matter. So I think this much is enough.
Okay. And mix.
Mix. Okay. Oh wow. Oh, it smells heavenly. Okay, I'm gonna take a bite. Wow. Oh my god, this is amazing. It has a very coconutty flavor. It's not that overpowering, but it's just amazing. It gives a very distinct flavor. It's not like any noodles I've ever had before. And the soup tastes just like curry. Wow. The lime, it gives like a very different aroma to the noodles and the soup, and it's just wow. I'm gonna try the chicken now. Okay. Oh wow. Amazing. So I'm gonna try that. Okay. So tender, so flavorful. I think the soup is just like seeped in, the flavors are seeped inside the chicken. It's been cooking well in the broth, and just Wow, amazing. Okay guys, so for the second dish we have sai ua, which is the northern style sausages. So they are made with green chilies and different herbs to enhance the aroma. So they're different from your ordinary sausage. And with that we have nam prek num, which is a green chili dip that goes along with the sausage, and whole cabbages. So I'm gonna put some of this on the sausage, right? This is how it looks like. Yeah. The cabbage, yeah, it smells amazing. Spicy, really spicy, but the aroma just gives a perfect balance. It's a very different sausage. I don't think you need to eat anything with this, but yeah, just the cabbages go really well. Very fresh. I love it. Okay, so Gates has stir-fried khaosoi with pork, right? So it is similar to the one, the chicken, but it's just like pork, right?
Yes.
And it's dry.
Yes, recommended menu. Yes.
Wow.
With some lemon.
Okay, so you're gonna add the roasted chilies.
I like chili.
Yeah, I can see that.
And mix.
All right.
Wow. Mix everything together. Smell good?
Smells amazing. Yeah.
Okay. Let me try.
All right. Good.
Good. But I love it.
Yeah. Looks amazing.
Nice.
What's pork? Okay. Nice. Okay, so now we have the third dish, which is called puong, right? So puong is field crab fat, grilled field crab fat with sticky rice. So what I'm gonna do is take my bowl of sticky rice and take some of the crab fat right here. Sticky. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna add it on top. It has a very strong smell. I'm not sure if I love it, but it's very creamy. It's very creamy, it's very like soft, very flavorful, a bit like salty. It's nice. Yeah, not my favorite, but yeah, good enough.
Nice.
Do your best. Can I take a bite of brown? It's very different from this. Wow.
If you want more, please more.
I'm okay. Okay guys, I'm done with my lunch. I had a great experience, and I would definitely recommend you guys to come here in this restaurant because Ongtong is just 100 meters from BTS Ari, and also this restaurant has won a Michelin guide for 3 years. So I definitely recommend, and I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to click like, share,
And subscribe.
bye!